This is KU8 back me noodles. I've featured this in the video. Look how popular this is. Very, very busy. Bistro. A Western family inside there. These now. Oh la la! Look at this! Wow. Noodles. Shell oil noodle dumpling on the plate. Looks another nice, tempting place to try this. Uncooked food. Swedish meatballs. Aroma Italian. I'm sure it's. Well, maybe I had a good evening from Bali, Indonesia. So it's just gone 7 p.m. I'm here in the Sanur area of Bali, and what I'm going to feature in tonight's video for you is a collection of around about 30 ocean views / next to the beachfront restaurants at the Matahari Terbit Beach location here in Sanur. So I have featured this collection of restaurants in previous videos. I've done entire walkthroughs. However, there has been some new additional restaurants, particularly right at the end of the walk in tonight's video is a new 2-tier restaurant. So that's going to be featured in tonight's video. I've also featured many of these restaurants individually as food reviews. I shall add the links in the descriptions for the ones that are featured. It's one of my personal sort of like personal favourite eating locations now here in Sanur due to its beautiful location. Now this particular beach area that's right next to the restaurants or just before the restaurants as you're walking up to them along the track is probably the most popular beach location now here in Sanur, particularly, or not particularly, amongst Indonesian families, particularly on the weekends. They come out, they sit on the beach, enjoy the ocean. It's absolutely packed and loaded up during the weekend times and public holiday times. And then after they've finished at the beach, they usually go to this collection of restaurants that I'm going to feature in tonight's video. Now, many of the actual international tourists haven't discovered this collection of restaurants as of yet, as it is actually at the opposite end of sort of where the majority of the accommodation options are located in Sanur. So in tonight's video, I'm going to bring this fabulous collection of restaurants to your attention, so hopefully you can pay it a visit. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and share with you around about 30 restaurants here at the Matahari Terbit Beach location here in Sanur. Okay, so here we are at the start point for tonight's video. This monument statue here. And Vania's sandals there. Very, very busy on this street. Easy on the beach in that direction also. So Pantai Sanur Beach is in that direction. This is where we're heading to. Pantai Matahari Terbit. VIP parking here if you want to park here by car. It's 50,000. Vania's sandals, Deus Ex Machina, Coco Express in the back there. Let's go and head to the restaurants. First one is a place called Sam's here. Sam's has a seating area in here. Busy in there. All Indonesian though. Also has a seating area here as well. Next we have Joro. How are you, brother? I've featured Joro in a video. It's not actually too busy this evening. Joro has the very popular very popular ice cream counter there. There's quite a few in this section here. Next we have Lyra. Really nice seating here. Sitting inside. Nice sitting outside here as well. Very nice. We're just continuing on Down from Lyra we have Bayside Sea View, Japanese rice bowl. Some Westerners here. That's the Bayside. There's an inside seating area in there. Outside seating. Overlooking the ocean if you come during the daytime. Koja here. Show you this. Ooh la la, nice guy in there. That's Koja, the inside seating area there. Continue on, Gold Mine Coffee, this one's called. This is a relatively new one. Can't see it's too bright the light. Gold Mine Coffee. This is Peso. Peso Beachfront. Sitting area inside as well. It's outside. And just from Peso. Just from Peso we have pizza and goo. I featured this in the video. Pizza Roma Italian. I'm not sure whether it's pizza and goo or pizza and go. Just in there anyway. Of the gelato ice cream here. We have ponies here, or ponies. Nice looking inside this one. Oh. Let's have a look at the seating area outside at ponies. And next we have is this Capri? Yes, Capri. Uncooked food. Oh, this is ponies. Uncooked food. Swedish meatballs. And next we have this is Capri. I featured this in a video as well. It is an Italian, but I think I come here and had the wrong food. It's all a big menu at the front here. Inside seating area as well. Hello, how are you? I'm good. There's a Capri. Nice little seating areas here at Capri. I think I maybe had the burger or something here. Maybe I had the wrong food. It's an Italian. Or maybe I had a steak. I can't remember now. It's a while ago. Nice little seating areas along the front here as well. It's quite busy. This is KU8 Back Me noodles. I've featured this in the video. Look how popular this is. Very, very busy. It's very, very popular, this one. I didn't actually enjoy this. It really tasted anything to me, but you can see how popular it is. Copyright going on. Bright, the camera settings going from bright to darkness, so it's very difficult to set the camera. The babi gulling, it's all Indonesian. Babi gulling something. Nice little pigs here. Oh, some Western tourists here. Trying the Babi gulling. Show what this one. Oh, boomer. I'm maybe going to try this one. It looks a nice one, this. Some Western in there. It's not very busy outside though, this one. Here's the name. Boomer. Octopus. Mixed big fried. Frappe series. Somewhere at Boomer. Have the crispy donuts here. Tree of Hope. Oh la la. It's a crispy donut. Just next door to the crispy donut we have Nico Spa, so you've got spa facilities as well here, just restaurants. So it looks as though you can actually have a massage out here. I think this is Lima. I think so. Yes it is, it's Lima. Nice seating areas here at Lima. Haven't tried this one. Looks another nice tempting place to try this. Very nice seating areas. Not super busy. Here's Salt and Pepper Grill House. I have featured this in a video. I wasn't too impressed with this one. It's not too impressive, that, to me. This is Daily Coffee. You can see it better there. These trees in the middle of the pathway. The mineral. Sweetheart. So I have Bali burger. Have some more, or Bali burger. Sorry, not Bali burger. I thought it said burger. It's a massage spa again. This one. Some nice areas to have your massage here. Flexology. Oh, this looks like a new one. Ronan Man's Bakehouse. Just a couple in there. Some nice seating areas. Doesn't look too busy. There's another couple Indonesian there. Oh, this is a new one. There's new ones popping up. Corner. This is like a convenience store. Oh, this is new. So some of the restaurants appear to be disappearing. Some seating areas as well on the convenience stores. Oh, this is no, this we've seen before. Golden dumpling, noodles, shell oil noodle, dumpling on the plate. Lots of stuff in there. Very nice. Presented restaurant. Golden dumpling. Next we have one of my favourite, not one of my favourite restaurant here at this beach location, Coco Bistro. This serves exceptionally good food, and you can see how busy it is. Lots of customers, quite a good mix of Western and Indonesian in there. Coco Bistro. A Western family inside there. sat in there. Full bistro. Continues here, so it's quite one of the big restaurants as well here. Many Western tourists here as well, or expats. It's one of the popular ones there. Bakso. Place for Bakso here. This one's quite busy with Indonesian. Out with the food there now. Just turn around and give you a look inside. Sitting inside as well. Hello? So busy outside, nobody really inside. I think this is another new one here. The coffee place. Hello! So busy this one. What's here? Seems to be some newish places popping up. Or maybe I've forgotten. Infinity Coffee. Wow, this one's busy. Oh, this is another KU8. So it's expanded from down below. So we have 2 of these now. KU8. Very popular amongst Indonesians here. This. I didn't personally like this, but it's very popular. Some musical entertainment there later in the evening. Let's have a look inside. An inside seating area as well. We'll have Amber space here. Classic coffee. 20k. Very unique looking place this. Swings at the back near the ocean, or swing seats. We've got another coffee shop cafe here. Seating area. Oh my gosh, so it's expanding, so we have new places now. Oh la la, look at this. Wow. This looks fabulous. Looks a bit more exclusive. This one has some upstairs seating there as well. Wow. Let's just take a look at the outside seating. Wow. Very nice. Nice friendly staff as well. Wow. Nice. Molo. Molo is the name. Oh la la. And we're really expanding now. Wow. Look at this. This is all new as well. How fabulous is that? Beautiful. Another place over there. There's Molo.